right, good morning, y'all. This week's instructional video on how to optimize your usage and experience of SuperHumans United is all about adjusting our notifications. All right, so remember, this is not Facebook. This is not Instagram. This is a community that supports our health as we learn together and as we experience what we learn together and facilitate our experiments together and support each other through the whole process. It is worth being notified, and it's worth checking in on this community most days, if not every day, because every little piece of health information, every post, every recipe, every comment or like, every question or poll could be just that little bit of information that you need to motivate you to move forward in your personal health journey, okay? So I don't think it's a bad thing to get notifications, but we don't want to be overwhelmed with notifications. So when you come into community.superhumantransformation.com, or it works exactly the same way on your phone, you're going to go to your settings and then click on notifications, and the first thing that you're going to see is email updates and or mobile push. Mobile push means you'll get that little icon on your phone or maybe a little flash that tells you there's a notification. Email updates means you get an email either every time there's a notification, or you can get what is known as a daily digest. If you're going to do email updates, if that's the way you respond and resonate, then I would highly recommend the daily digest. All right, that way you're not getting an email every time there's a notification. I personally just like having the mobile push on, and if you're going to check in on the community every day anyway, you can always turn that off, because when you get into the community, you're still going to have the little bell notification icon. You're still going to see if you have a chat message here, but again, I would recommend maybe doing the mobile push settings, and in the mobile push settings you can scroll down and actually customize the notifications that you get. All right, so and again, I would look at this as a very positive thing. Every notification that could possibly nudge us in a direction of better health, getting excited about this info, I think is a great thing. Okay, so your homework would be to go into your personal settings and adjust your notifications and customize them so that it's the perfect balance of getting notified of good information but not getting overwhelmed. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions. Keep it real.